Three, two, one, go. Hey guys, it's me, DJ Cosmic. Today we're doing a flag tier list, world flags. Uh, there's a lot of flags here. So, let's just get started. And I'm going to start with my home country, the United States of America. United States of America, I'm putting an A tier. Very good flag, but I don't know. I don't think I would say it's the best, partly because I'd be accused of nationalism, and they're probably right, but. Um, Next up, I'm just gonna go to flags I recognize and start with those, and then once I'm out of flags I immediately recognize, I'll be like, okay, which ones. So, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Govina, I'm gonna put an S tier. Very good flag, very beautiful flag. Well, no, I'll put it in A tier. Very beautiful flag, very good flag. Flag that makes you feel good, you know. Uh, Brazil, I'm putting in B tier. Like it's a pretty cool design until you realize there's text on the flag, and that's never fun. That's dumb. That's dumb, honestly. Um, I believe this is Barbados. Hold on, something like that. So, I'm in Bermuda, but I really like the trident on the tricolor. I like a lot of tricolors with symbols in the middle. Like that. That's very nice, very beautiful, very wonderful. Speaking of which, Canada also A tier. I don't know. I just like the maple leaf a bit more than the trident. Might just be me though. This is the Czech Republic flag. I mean, kind of boring. I like the triangle, and it kind of looks like a mail envelope, but I don't know. I guess it's just not very eye appealing. Afghanistan. I do not like flags with seals on them. Like there's a couple of exceptions, like Brazil. I don't find seals interesting on flags, like at all. It's a very complex design. It's kind of stupid. I don't like those. So while we're at it, I'm just gonna put these in D tier. Not only because it's just the British flag, but with a seal, but because it's just not interesting. So I'm gonna do that. Um, Find all of those. This is gonna take me a little bit. I'm not taking all the flags with uh, the Union Jack on it. I'm just taking flags with the Union Jack on it and seals. So while I'm doing that, I might as well do South Africa. South Africa, there's a rule in vexillology that you don't have too many colors. South Africa breaks that, but I think it's actually they do it well. They do it well. So I'm gonna put it also in A tier. Um, I believe this is Australia. I'll put it in C tier just because Union. All these countries with the Union Jack, I do not like just having a flag and then the rest of the flag. That's stupid. That's dumb. Actually have a real flag or get out of here. I believe this is Croatia, maybe Slovenia. Um, I don't know. I like I like the coat of arms. But I don't know. Not a lot here. C tier definitely. I don't know what this is. It looks cool though, so B tier. Uh, this is the flag of Albania. It looks really cool, but I don't know, just a little bit too creepy for me. Looks like the bad guy thing, so I'm gonna do A tier and just leave it there. Um, I don't know what flag this is, but it's scaring me, so I'm gonna put in C tier. Uruguay. I like the sun. I don't like that it has a face, but I like the sun and I like the baby blue and white, so I'll put it in B tier. Um, Cyprus. This might be Malta, but I think it's Cyprus. C tier. This is vexillology, not geography. Uh, this is Hong Kong. No. Is it Hong Kong? I think this is Hong Kong. Um, Hong Kong has a nice flag. I'll put an A tier. Uh, yet again, another seal flag. I hate these. They're dumb. They make no sense. This is Iran. I think this is Iran. Might be Iraq. One of the two. Once again, text on it, and not just that, but it's just a tricolor with text on it. That's lame. This is a country flag that I like. I don't know which one it is. I know it's a Middle Eastern country, but I like the flag. I'll put it in B tier. Bangladesh stole Japan's, but I don't think the colors are as interesting, and it looks slightly off to the right, which might be the problem of the image file, but I don't know. Belgium's flag is just Germany, so C tier. Germany's itself, I saw it right here. I'm going to pay homage to fatherland, my fatherland specifically. Put in an A tier. Very nice tricolor. Very, very nice all of this. A lot of people might get mad at me because it's just a tricolor, but no, yeah, fair enough. B tier. High B tier, though. Very, very nice tricolor. Israel, Kenya. Just getting all the flags. Okay, I'm going to actually talk about North Korea's real quick. North Korea has a really good flag. Like, that's a really good flag. I'm putting that in S tier. Like, that's a really, really good flag. That's a very good flag. Like, I'm not gonna, like, condemn, nor, like, the opposite of condemn. I forget. Commend. I'm not gonna condemn or commend North Korea, but they have a very nice flag. Like, that's a very good flag. I cannot understate that enough. That is a very good flag. Good on you, North Korea. And I am now going to have my United States citizenship revoked, probably. Alright. Union Jack, I'm putting in S tier. Very good flag. That's well known, though. Fun fact, if you flip it upside down, it's the same exact flag. Very, very smart. Kenya, I'm putting in B tier. I like the colors. I like how the tricolors are separated by white. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Israel's flag, man, I generally like it. I'll put in an A tier. Colombia. Oh, Colombia. This is shameful. I'm putting this is an F tier flag. You could have had yellow, blue, and red. Would have been unoriginal. Would have been bland. But you wouldn't look stupid. But you had to look stupid. Because you are stupid. I believe this is Cuba's flag. Pretty good flag. C tier. Decent C tier. I should probably take this and put it down a bit. Yeah. Romania. I mean, it's just a tricolor. I'm putting most of these tricolors just right here because they're pretty uninteresting. I don't know what flag this. I think this is Oman. Oman, I don't know. I like the circles. Looks like a Pokeball. What is this? Texas? Is that the Texan flag? That's stupid. You're stupid. That's a stupid flag. I don't like that flag. Nah, I'm kidding. Don't put it in. Nah, crap. Where did it go? Nah, screw it. France. I'll put France as B tier. Nice flag overall. I think this is Bulgaria's flag. I like Bulgaria's flag a lot, so I'll put it. There's a difference between these tricolors because these ones actually look good and these don't as much. And this one is awful. Like, get your proportions right, man. Makes me mad. Jamaica, Ireland, Italy, the Isle of... What the... Oh, one of these is India. I don't... No. No, this is India. And what is this? Okay, so what I'm actually going to do from now on is I'm only going to grab the flags that I know where they're from. Partly so that I don't country flags the wrong thing. Because I don't want to be a stupid poo-poo head. But also just to save time. Because we're already 10 minutes in. And I still have a ton of flags to go through. So, yeah. Speed it up a little bit and all. Jamaica's flag. I really like Jamaica's flag. Probably put B tier. India's flag, very nice. I like the little thing in the middle. I think it's cool. Italy's flag, pretty good B tier. Pretty good B tier. Same for Ireland. Let's see. Isle of Man flag. Oh, okay. Isle of Man. This is a dumb flag. Honest, I do not like Isle of Man flag. Isle of Man's flag. I think it sucks. I think it stinks. Okay. If this wasn't Cyprus, then it's probably Malta, in which case I'm putting it at the exact same place. Not super good. I should probably actually put both of these in B tier because I actually like these. Japan's flag. Like I said, Japan's flag is like Bangladesh's, but better and also centered. Easy A tier for Japan. Saudi Arabia's flag. Once again, can't read the text. I like the sword. Sword's a nice touch, so I'll put it above Afghanistan. I'll put it in B tier. Low B tier. This is Swiss flag? I don't like the Swiss flag very much. Partly because it reminds me of the Red Cross, but also just because it's a square flag. That's stupid. That's dumb. So you might be like, oh, well, I guess you don't like Nepal's flag either. But no, I actually do like Nepal's flag. I gotta find it. Here we go. Nepal's flag is actually nice. And I see people are like, oh, well, it's not a rectangle. Well, actually, if you make it a rectangle, that's a very, serious, hey, your flag sucks thing in Nepal, which is actually pretty offensive there. Not, super offensive, but, it's a sign of disrespect. I think it's very unique. I think that's cool. Makes it a pain in the butt to put on a flagpole, but I don't know. I've never tried it in action. Neither of you. So I'm putting it in B tier. Malaysia's flag. For copying, F tier. This is the flag of Corsica? I don't know. I don't like Corsica's flag, honestly. Partly because I feel like it might be racist, and I just don't know the undertones. But also just because I do not like the idea of human body parts on flags. This is Puerto Rico's flag, right? I'll put it... I mean, this is basically the same one as Cuba's. So I should probably put it with Cuba. Yeah. This is... Syria? I don't know. I'm not gonna touch it. Russia's flag. So Russia's flag is actually pretty interesting, but Peter the Great only just stole this straight up from the Netherlands. He was like, "Wow, I like the Netherlands flag. I'm taking it." So bad for cheating, but otherwise, I don't know. Low B tier, low B tier for Russian flag. Um, Somalia? Yeah, this is Somalia's flag. Kind of simple, but I like it. Uh, Low B tier. This is Lebanon. I like the tree. Probably mid C tier, honestly. Better than the crest flags. Better than just the other ones. South Korea. High B tier. Good flag. There's a USSR thing flag. I don't know what this is, but it's the USSR flag. I do not like the USSR flag. I think it sucks. C tier. Low C tier. Low C tier. China's flag. See the Soviet flag. I don't think it looks good. I think it looks pretty ugly. Why do you put all the interesting stuff in the top left corner? That's stupid. And this is Turkey's flag? I think this is Turkey's flag. This might be Turkey's flag. I don't know. I think this is Turkey's flag. I'm gonna take this, putting it mid B tier, decent flag. Turkmenistan. Oh, I hate Turkmenistan's flag. It sucks. It's legitimate. This is a very complicated design. It is not good. I don't like it. It's a bad flag. It's just bad. Portugal. C tier. I don't really have any particular opinions about Portugal's flag. Serbian flag. Pretty C Portugal. No, I'll put it a bit higher than Portugal. I'll even put both of them like, yeah, no, Lebanon should be higher. I'll put up both of them right here. I think they're both good flags, but like I don't know if I particularly love either of them. This is the Taiwanese flag, I think. Taiwan flag. I like it. I'll put it in high B tier. Spain. Oh, I like Spain's. More than these two. I don't know if I really want to put it too high, though. Micronesia? Yeah, this is Micronesia. I guess I'll put Micronesia mid C tier. Not really that interesting of a flag, honestly. Finland. I like the Scandinavian flag, so I'm just going to try and find all of them and put them in the same place. This is Norway. Just got to find the Swedish flag. And I'll look for that in a second. But first we got to talk about Mexico. I love Mexico's flag. Easy S tier. That's a good flag. Now I'll just take Bosnia and United States, put them up there. This is what I have so far. I think this is good. I'm going to do some more flags, though. Here's Sweden. This is the English flag, and this is the Greek flag. It's okay. English flag. Not really that interesting. No, that's not... Holy crap, that's not Lebanon. This is Lebanon. What's that flag then? Libyan flag? Hold on. Gotta look up flags with trees on them. Can't believe I'm doing this. Flags with That's the flag of Norfolk Island? I've never heard of that country. Get out of here. Boo. I think this is... No, is that flag of Pakistan? Hold on. Gotta look it up again. I'm sorry. Pakistan flag. Yep, that's Pakistan's flag. I generally like Pakistan's flag. I don't know if I really like it though. So I'll put it down here. Ukrainian flag? No, that's not the Ukrainian flag. Ukrainian flag is yellow on top, blue on bottom. Oh, we got the Scottish flag. I like the Scottish flag. Better than the English one. I think this is the Icelandic flag. Put it with the rest of them. I don't know if there's a lot. What are the difference in these? Hold on. I know one of them is the Romanian flag. Chad! Oh my god, Chad. What the heck? I don't know which of these is wrong. So if I'm putting Romania in F tier... No. It's not even enough. Chad is going into the shadow zone. Unless Romania copied Chad's flag, in which case the roles are reversed. But one of them copied another one, and that makes me very agitated. So one of them's dying. This is the Congo flag of the Republic of the Congo. I really like this flag. Yeah. I'm running out of flags that I recognize. Starting to, at least. I recognize some of these. I just can't attach a name to them. Welsh flag. Really cool flag. S tier flag. Is that the flag of Venezuela? No, that's the flag of Vietnam. This might be alphabetical. That's if so, then that's probably Venezuela. Yep, that's the Venezuelan flag. Oh shoot. That might be why the Colombian... Okay, actually... You know what? Colombian flag, I understand why you are the way that you are now. Not bad, man. Not bad. Alright? I respect that. I can actually respect that. You wanted to look different. You failed, but you tried. And that's something. Now, this is the Chinese flag done right. The Vietnam flag is the Chinese flag done right. This is the Vatican City flag. Boo. D tier. That's actually the... That's Uruguay, then. And what the heck is this flag? Shoot, I'm gonna have to Google it again. Okay. Flags with suns on them. Okay, that's the Argentinian flag. I was completely wrong. I'm sorry, people of Argentina and Uruguay. I was wrong. Um, yeah, I actually prefer this to their Argentinian design. I think that's good. Good job, people at Uruguay. I hope that makes up for me getting the wrong flag for you. Um, Netherlands flag. Netherlands flag is pretty much like the same place as the Russian flag. If it hadn't copied the Netherlands flag, so I'll put it with the rest of the tricolors, just slightly lower. Uh, I don't really see a lot of flags that I know anymore. Um, is Qatar, I think. I think this is Qatar. I don't know. Looks weird. Um, Low C tier. Now, if that's Qatar, then this is Poland. I don't know. Poland's flag has just not really been very interesting to me. Um, what is this? Macaw? This is Macaw. I'm okay with Macaw's flag. I like it. But not that much. I don't know. It's weird. Like, I don't know how I feel about Macaw's flag. Well, I know. At least I know what Mayotte flag looks like now. Shadow Zone. Friggin' Mayotte. This is Rwanda's flag? Eh. I like this flag. Pretty good. Okay. What is this flag? I don't know. This is what I'll put it at this. I don't know what that is. What is that? It's creepy. This is Croatia? Wait. Might be the Slovenian flag. Time to go to Google. That's not the Slovenian flag. That's one to the right. That's the Slovakian flag. Okay. Slovakia, B tier. Your friend Slovenia. Slovenia's colors are just too bright for me. D tier. Jeez. Is it really sunny out in Slovenia? Must be, because Bosnia actually has a lot of light pollution. I learned that. That's a real fact. This is Syria. I like Syria's flag. B tier. This Chilean flag? No. What's this flag? I don't know. Yeah, I have no hope of guessing any of these flags. But, I know this. I think I know this one. I don't know what it is. And I'm very ashamed of myself for not knowing what it is. This one, too. Like, what? Uh, okay, but anyway. Here's the first part of my tier list. I have the UK, Mexico, North Korea, Wales, Bosnia, and the United States in S tier. A tier, I have Canada, Albania, South Africa, Japan, Republic of the Congo, Hong Kong, and Israel. In B tier, I have Italy, South Korea, Germany, Taiwan or the Republic of China, France, Ireland, India, the Netherlands, Bulgaria, Jamaica, Nepal, Turkey, Scotland, Brazil, Bermuda, or the Barbados. I don't know which one. Uruguay, Syria, Slovakia. This flag, I don't know what it's from. Argentina, Kenya, Vietnam, Norway, Iceland, Finland, and Sweden. Croatia, Venezuela. This flag, I think this is Iraq. Russia, Bangladesh, Saudi Arabia, Somalia, Pakistan, Spain, and Macau. In C tier, I have Puerto Rico, Cuba, Rwanda. This flag, I think it's Uzbekistan. Don't quote me on that. Greece, Serbia, Portugal, Lebanon, Malta and Cyprus, England, Ukraine, Poland, Afghanistan, Micronesia, Iran, Australia, this flag, Czechoslovakia, Belgium, Romania, this Soviet flag, China, Qatar, this flag, and D tier we have Slovenia. All of these crest with Union Jack flags. Switzerland, Isle of Man, Vatican City, Corsica, and Colombia. In F tier, we have Malaysia and Turkmenistan. In the Shadow Zone, we have Mayotte for the horrible crime of just having the country name and some seahorses. That's lame. And Chad for plagiarism. So what have we learned today, kids? North Korea is a pretty cool flag. And cheaters never prosper. That's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed me talking about flags for a solid 30 minutes. That's really all I have today. But I guess we can see the community rank. That's interesting. Ooh. So the general ranking is like Canada and Brazil, definitely in S tier. What's in definitely F tier? A lot of these flags, fair enough. Corsica, yeah. Mayotte, that's what I said. This Soviet flag, I don't know what it's from. Yeah. Good to see U.S. is in it. U.S. is in B tier. Yeah. All right. I'm actually okay with this. If this is the community ranking, that's actually not bad. I agree. I agree with a lot of these. I would put Malaysia way down. Where's Turkmenistan? Okay. Turkmenistan. Okay. I can handle Turkmenistan in D tier. I think that's where I put it too, but like, yeah. I don't know if this one is Chad or Romania. Why is Colombia in C tier? Why is it above the Welsh flag? Okay, this is a huge drama between me and the flag community. I am mad. Above Taiwan? Above Puerto Rico? The Colombian flag sucks! I'm just realizing that this is the Thai flag. Crap, Well, I learned that I know nothing about flags, I guess. And Slovenia's in C tier too, great. Alright, I guess that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Because I am not now. That makes me mad. Why is Colombia's high C tier? It's almost as good as Bulgaria. Why? Anyways, best flag is Union Jack, worst flag is Mayotte. That's all I have for you today. I hope you have a wonderful day. Yeah, bye.